What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. Now, this joint right here was supposed to be releasing on April 9th. Now we're going to be getting these on March 25th instead of the J Horizon. Nike basically just swapped the release dates. Now, before we get further into it, this shoe right here is available on the website, fineline1721.com. They are shipping out right now if you want to go ahead and get them ahead of the release date. Now, really quick, getting into the box, you can see that we have the two-tone, almost cream over here and sail over here, red Jumpman logo. Taking a look at the box label, Air Jordan 3 Retro SE Muslin University Red, size 10.5, we're going to be taking a look at. Flipping the box lid up, as you can see, we have some white and gray elephant print paper. Let's go ahead and peel this back and get right into the shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at these Air Jordan Retro 3s. First thing first, they do come with a spare pair of laces, all gray laces rolled up. Shoe tree comes as such, size 10, 10.5. Quick look inside of the joints, we have a red insole with the white Jumpman sitting on the top, gray sock liner, also red lining right here, kind of puffy too, behind the tongue. All sail upper with hits of red accents on the Jumpman and the eyelets right here on the laces. The whole uppers of the shoe is wrapped in canvas with the exception of the toe and the heel, which would normally be wrapped in elephant print on the Retro 3s, but Nike decided to swap out the elephant print and use a real hairy kind of like brushed up suede. Taking a look at the midsoles of the shoe, you can see that two-tone darker sail sitting on top of the lighter sail. Gives a nice little contrast so it doesn't look too plain Jane. Going around to the heel of the shoe, have a hit of red right here on the Jumpman logo. That red definitely kind of pops out. Super clean colorway in my opinion. I definitely like the two-tone hits of sail and the highlights with the gray and the red. The only negative about this shoe is the material. I'm being perfectly honest. I'm not really a fan of canvas material on any shoe. We all know that this type of material is really, really hard to keep clean. That's basically the only negative or the only knock that I have about this colorway. It's different. It looks clean. It looks cool. Something that you can, dress this up with, something that you can dress this down with. If you are a fan of these joints and you think that they're clean, you think that you can keep them clean, head over to the website, fineline1721.com. They are shipping out right now. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Both handles are the same, fineline1721. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.